Here to play us out is the wonderful Clara Rose and The Relatives with her song Callin for the Kid. You can find all the information and the song and gigs at clararosemusic.com. Enjoy, have a great weekend. Take it away.
Your cap gun shot, who won best fall when they came calling for your kid? Your teepee tall in urban sprawl as they came calling for your kid. So let your voice ring out as your spirit soars. Cowboys and Indians whoop and roll. Your long life lived, 9 souls exist, 2 now come calling for your kid. You're forever Valentine, you're Sophia Loren. I think she's calling for you, kid. So let your voice ring out as your spirit soars. Cowboys and Indians whoop and roll. Your deep blue eyes, they've seen it all. They're closing in now on your kid. Their twinkle never faded, the music that you made. Hear the drummer counting in the key. So let your voice ring out as your spirit soars. Cowboys and Indians whoop and roll. And let your soul before you light your path and guide you as it comes calling for you, kid.